Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a CD cover from paper. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a CD, and sometimes we lose the covers for our CDs, and we don't want to go and buy a new CD cover, so you can make your own. All that you need is a regular sheet of paper like this, and you can even design it once you know how it works and the dimensions and so forth. So what you want to do is take your CD and place it halfway hanging off of the bottom of the sheet of paper like that. You want it to be roughly centered, okay? Then you want to fold the right side over to where it meets slightly outside of the CD. If you go exactly to the CD, then it might be hard to get the CD in. So you want to go just slightly to the outside of the CD, just like that, and give it a nice solid crease. Try and get your line as straight as possible, okay? Same thing with the other side. Like I said, you don't want it to be exactly tight on the CD. Just go a little bit out from the edge of the CD and get a nice straight line if you can, okay? Now that we've done that, what we need to do is fold it over. So now you want to fold it over and you want to get it roughly to the edge of the CD. You can go a little bit bigger if you want, but we're going to fold this long side basically to the edge, roughly to the edge of the CD, okay? Just like that. Like I said, you can go a little bit bigger if you want to, but for sizing, it's probably better to go pretty much to the edge. Try and get it nice and straight, give it a nice crease, just like that, okay? Now we're gonna flip it over. You're starting to see it take shape now, okay? So now at this point, what we're gonna do next is fold it again down, okay? So we're gonna fold it down like this first, okay? Just like this, fold it down. Try and get it nice and straight once again. Now we're going to unfold it, okay? And we're gonna take these top edges here, we're gonna sort of make them into these folded in corners like that. It doesn't have to be equal. It's just so that you can take this part and you can essentially tuck it into the flaps over here. So you can see right here, the CD is in these flaps that are over here. There are flaps right here. The CD is in there. If you take this part, now that the corners are folded, you can slide it right in there and check that out. As you can see right here, we now have a CD cover using only a sheet of paper. Look at this. Look at this thing. It's perfect. It works so well. It's literally that simple. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.